Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, I'm super excited as per usual. You guys already know this is my favorite box to unbox every single month. And this is my Mindful Souls subscription box. This is gifted to me from Mindful Souls, and I love them to death for gifting this to me because I absolutely love this box. I always say in pretty much almost all my videos, I used to film these videos before they even reached out to me. So that's how you know my opinions are so genuine, because my first box you should have saw me. As a matter of fact, I'm going to link my Mindful Souls playlist down below if you guys want to see other unboxings of this box. But like, I was so ecstatic. And the funny thing is, I'm up to like, I don't know, maybe like 10 or 11, maybe this is 12. I'm way up into the boxes now, and they still excite me. Every single box still excites me. I'm so excited I can't even talk. So I'm excited to see what they gave us this month. So we're gonna dive into this box together. So if you guys want to know what I got in this box, as always, you guys know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. Alrighty, guys. So a little bit about the box. This box is $39.97 a month. So pretty much like 40 bucks a month, and you get tons of different types of like crystals. You get crystal jewelry. I've gotten sage. I've gotten bracelets, crystal bracelets. I've gotten beautiful jewelry pieces. This I've received from Mindful Souls before in the past. Like, I love all their jewelry. I always wear their jewelry. Their necklaces are amazing. I love everything about the box. So if you're like a crystal lover like me, then I would say subscribe to this box. I actually have a code for you guys. It's Miss_Aisha, and that's going to save you 20% off your first box, which I think is absolutely amazing. If you could save a nickel, a penny, a quarter, a dime, everything is everything nowadays with all that's going on. So if you want to save a buck or two, then use my code. And that's really about it. I'm going to get into the box. So let's dig in. So this is what the box looks like. And when you open it up, we have a little booklet here. We have a card. The card tells you what you get in your box. And then these are the goodies inside. So let's see what we got. I will say, this box smells like roses, like rose petals. So let's see what's making this beautiful scent from this box. Okay, so they always give a sticker, an affirmation card, and they recently started putting like a little book. I think my last box there was a book in there as well. So that's kind of new. We'll look at that in a second. But I love the affirmation cards. Sometimes I have a whole deck of them because I've been doing Mindful Soul boxes for a while now. So sometimes I'll just in the mornings pick one, and it'll be a positive affirmation that I can use for the day. So today's affirmation is affirmations for relationships. And it says, all my relationships are now loving and harmonious. I love that. Then we get a sticker. This sticker says, enjoy every moment. I love that. Especially with all like social media and the internet. This is a good thing to live by. So love that. Alrighty. So, oh God, I just looked and ruined my sneak peek. I can't help myself. But they also give like this little card, like I said, that tells you what you got in your box. but there's usually like a little quote on the front of the card. And the quote I got says, "Wherever you are, be there totally." I love that. That kind of sinks in with enjoy every moment, right? Alrighty. So we have 6 goodies today. I'm so excited to see what I got. So let's start off with sash. So we get like these cool little sashes with stuff in them, and then you can like, if you're traveling, you can just keep your little put your products in the sash. So that's kind of cool. So we'll open the first sash, and I think I see what smells like rose petals. So I'm gonna look at that in a second. But ooh, it looks like I got another crystal bracelet. So these are all crystal bracelets too that I have on now. But let's see what's the new one that I got. So it looks like this is a blue tiger's eye bracelet. So that's what it looks like up close. Hold on, can you guys see it? There you go. All right. So it says blue tiger is a very soothing stone as it aids in reducing stress, increasing calm, and easing anxiety. I did not know that. Wow. Blue tiger's eye helps to open, clear, and align the mid to higher brain chakras, which will assist in speaking with clarity and acting from a place of integrity. I love this. I love this. So whenever I get my crystals, I always like clean them, cleanse them with sage, and I put them on my, I can't think of the word right now. Cellulite. I have like a cellulite wand that I put it on to charge them, and so I'm not gonna wear this as of yet. I'll just put it on quickly just to show you, but goes with my collection. I have a decent amount of crystal bracelets now, which I'm so happy for. But I love this. I mean, what's not to love about the things you get in these boxes anyway? I've never not loved anything they put in the box. So we already know this already. So love item number 1. But what was going on with this book? Let me take a quick peek at this book. So what's in this book? So let's see. So like they have some things that they sell, like mysterious mood rings. It has like your tarot reading for not your tarot reading, your what's the word? Your horoscope for the month. It also let's see. It tells you about some crystals in here. So this is a fun little book that I'm gonna read later on. All right. Sash number 2. I got a crystal to add to my collection. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is called Natural Geode. Geode. I don't even know if I said that right. I probably said it wrong. And forgive me, I'm saying already ahead of time, forgive me if I say anything wrong, because I will say I'm a part of the makeup community because obviously my channel is a makeup channel, but I love crystals. So I do post crystal subscription boxes on my channel as well, because that's one thing that I love as well. Now, anything I love, I want to share with my viewers. But I will say the crystal community, you guys are not as nice as my makeup subscribers. It's always like, I feel like my makeup subscribers are so nice. They're always like loving. Aisha, we love your makeup. But oh my gosh, the comments I got like on a couple of my last boxes where they're like,
that's not how you pronounce that crystal, and actually that crystal does this, and that crystal does that, and
I'm like, guys, if you actually watch my channel, clearly you don't watch my channel and you don't know anything about me, because if you did, you would know that I don't know a lot about crystals. The reason why I love these boxes is because I want to learn about them. I'm still new to the crystal community. I'm learning. These boxes are a great way to learn about all these new crystals. Like, I've never even heard of this before, and I'm about to read what it's about. So can everybody just please be friendly on the channel? You know, this is a peace and love channel. I'm all about peace and love and positive energy. So this, as the saying goes, I live by this. If you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. Because if you say anything negative on my channel, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get blocked, and I'm just going to delete your comment. Problem solved. All right, back to the unboxing. Alrighty, so let's see what this crystal does. It says geodes, probably said that wrong, are a type, it's spelled Geode, are a type of natural rock formation that contains a cavity lined with crystals or another type of mineral matter. They are formed as a hollow bubble inside of a layer of rock, which was created by volcanic forces or chemical precipitation. Geodes can help communicate with the divine beings and assist in creating better moods, balances, and energies that can help with meditation, stress, and decision making. So this is so pretty. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. Alrighty. Sash number 3. We got, ooh, a rose quartz crystal. I love rose quartz. Rose quartz, it's all about like love, self-love, attracting love. I guess it got a little tangled, so hold on a second. Okay, I untangled it for the most part. I have nails, so it's hard for me to like take like knots out and stuff like that. I guess when it was in the pouch, it got a little tangled. So it looks like it's like a 2-layer necklace, but look how cute this crystal is. I can't wait till I untangle this so I can actually wear this because this is beautiful. Very beautiful. So let's read about rose quartz. I know a decent amount about rose quartz. I think that was like one of my first crystals I ever bought was rose quartz. But let's read about it together, what they said about it. Alrighty, it says it is a perfect healing necklace you have been looking for. With its soft pink colors, it is sure to soothe your heart and emit love to those around you. When you hold rose quartz stones while meditating or wear its jewelry, it surrounds you with a spirit of love energy which activates and balances the heart chakra. Love is the most powerful energy, which makes rose quartz one of the most beneficial stones for healing and flooding the body with positive energy. And as you guys heard me just say not too long ago, I'm all about positive energy. So that crystal is right up my alley. So I found the culprit that is making that box smell so good and delicious. It looks like a bath bomb. Yeah. It says bath bomb with rose quartz. Ooh, I want to open this, but I don't want to get it like all over everything. Maybe I'll put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to open it and then put it in a Ziploc bag so I could just show you guys what it looks like. Oh, it's in a plastic. Great. Ooh, la la. Oh, you could tell this is like real rose, like authentic rose. So it says, I could smell it. You know, you can smell like an invitation lavender scent or like an imitation rose scent. Like this smells like a legit, like bouquet of roses. Mm-mm-mm. So that's it right here. And it says, bath bomb with rose quartz, a change to relax and reconnect with yourself, a richly colored and creamy love spell, handcrafted just for you. The bomb contains a rose quartz and the beautiful blooming scent of a rose. So very excited for that. I actually love taking baths. I'm such a big kid. Well, not really. I guess adults can like taking baths rather than kids, but I love taking baths, so I love bath bombs, so I'm definitely going to use this. So very excited for that. Alrighty, I got another pouch here for you guys. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, I love this. An amethyst keyring holder. So I can carry some, what is it? Amethyst gives like calming energy. So I can carry this around and get some of that calming energy to myself. So very excited for that. Let's read what they say about this. It says, amethyst is known to calm, like I was just saying, and bring clarity to the mind, to relieve stress, soothe sadness, anger, and anxiety, and balance mood swings. It helps us to focus and stimulate motivation, concentration, and memory. Amethyst is believed to ease stress and insomnia, promoting peaceful sleep. Rubbed against the forehead, it eases headaches and releases tension. Amethyst is a very powerful stone, therefore it is really good idea to carry one in the pocket wherever you go. I love this. I tend to carry amethyst and rose quartz like everywhere with me. So love that. And then the next thing I got here is a Tibetan rope incense. So I saw on somebody's channel, because I watched, videos on crystals and stuff like that. They did have I don't know if I'm saying this right, Tibetan rope incense. I have incense, and I have cone incense, and I have like the Palo Santo, and now I can add this to my collection because I don't have anything like this. So it says, why can't I talk today? For centuries, Tibetan rope incense was used. Release stress, sadness, and tension. It is made by monks living in monasteries and is prepared in the tradition of the monastic order of Tibet. I did not know that. Very exciting. Yes, very exciting. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items today. What do you guys think about my box? I loved everything as per usual, and I got to learn. I got to learn about some new things. Like, I did not know that this was this blue tiger's bracelet, or blue tiger in general, helps with anxiety and calming. Like, I did not know that. So that's why I love this box, because I learned so much. I hope you guys learned something too from my unboxing. If you guys like my videos, you like Mindful Souls, and I would say subscribe to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family. We're growing strong. Do me a favor and give this video likes up. It really helps the channel. I'm in a transition period right now because I'm not doing too much makeup subscription unboxings, because my channel is going to be doing a little, is it a 360 or 180? I'm just going to be doing a little change to the channel. So stay tuned for that. So that's why I haven't really been posting too much, but I try to post at least once or twice a week, so you guys don't forget about your girl. But stay tuned for some fun new content. It's going to be mostly makeup related. I'm still going to do a little crystal stuff here and there, because you guys know I love crystals. That's always going to be a part of who I am. And, you got to accept everything from me. I don't want somebody who likes me just for a small part. You got to love all of Aisha. Take it or leave it. So far I'm happy my subscribers are loving me no matter what. And I appreciate you guys. So, just subscribe to your girl's channel. Show me some love. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.